This 4th to 6th October at Graphic Era Hill University Bhimtal, students will get a chance to create, innovate and showcase their brilliance at a global stage. The world's largest global hackathon is here, which is the NASA International Space App Challenge 2025. Astrowords, in collaboration with Graphic Era Hill University Bhimtal, is organizing this biggest event of the region. This year, we are bringing you exciting two new challenges. The first is the Hackathon Challenge, which is for university students as well as our school students. And second is the Astrowords NASA Challenge. This challenge is exclusively designed for our school students. So let's understand each of these challenges in detail. First is the Hackathon Challenge. This is scheduled from 4th to 6th October, and in this challenge, class 11th and 12th students will be competing alongside university participants across India in tackling NASA's problems. For this challenge, food and accommodation will be provided at Graphic Era Hill University Bhimtal only. Next up, we have the Astrowords NASA Challenge. This challenge is designed for class 6 to 12 students, and this is subdivided into three exciting challenges. The first is the Astro PicoSat Challenge. Next up, we have the exciting Robo Kabaddi Challenge. And third, none other than our Hydro Rocketry Challenge. So let's understand all these subcategories in detail. Starting off with our Astro PicoSat Challenge. This challenge is scheduled from October, and in this challenge, students will be designing their own CubeSat satellite model and will be launching these models with the help of a parachute rocket. For this challenge, food and accommodation will be provided at Graphic Era Hill University Bhimtal, and with help of these challenges, students will gain an understanding of satellite technology and rocketry. Next up, we have our Robo Kabaddi Challenge. This challenge is scheduled on 5th of October, and this is inspired from our traditional sport of Kabaddi. In this challenge, students will be designing their own Robo Kabaddi bots and at last will compete in an exciting tournament, and the winning bots will be awarded with good prizes. Our third and last challenge is the Hydro Rocketry Challenge. This challenge is scheduled on 5th of October, and in this challenge, students will design their own hydro rockets and will launch these rockets in the skies. We need to keep in mind that for Hydro Rocketry Challenge and for Robo Kabaddi Challenge, students will be arriving at the campus and will leaving the campus on the same day. For all these challenges, workshops, mentorship and materials will be provided by Team Astrowords. But we need to keep this in mind that transportation will be sole responsibility of the participants. At last, great projects will be honored with great rewards. So what are you waiting for? Register now to be the part of this exciting great journey.